For question 10, we have 5 squares and 2 right-angled triangles are arranged as shown. The numbers 3, 8, and 22 inside 3 of the squares indicate their areas in square meters. Now, what is the area of the square containing the question mark? So this is your target, is to know the area for that square. Now, if you think of the first two squares over here, so we know that here this is 22 and this is 3. This is so obvious if you could know the area for this for the square. So here, if I were you, I know that here this is a right angle here because this is a right triangle, because the question here is mentioning that this is a right triangle. So if you know about the Pythagorean theorem, it's like the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two legs, which means we have this is the square for this leg and this is the square of the second leg. So this means if you take the sum of these squares, so this will give you the square of the hypotenuse, which means that the area for the square that is created on the hypotenuse is 25. So this is so great. And if you just apply it, the Pythagorean theorem for the other triangle over here, so let me just take this away. Okay, this is a right triangle over here. And again, the square on the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares on the other two legs. So we have this is 8 and the square on the hypotenuse is 25. So if you just subtract them, so the answer will be 17. So answer choice that's matching for our situation for this case is answer choice D.